Presented in this photography print is the sunset glow over rainbow-colored mounds in Badlands National Park, South Dakota. The rolling formations display layers of gold, red, and green, framed by jagged cliffs in the distance and a pastel sky above. This fine art print highlights the park's distinctive mix of color and texture, offering a striking yet peaceful landscape view that makes an inspiring addition to any space. When I photographed this scene, I was captivated by how the last light of day illuminated the soft ridges in a palette of natural color. The green grasses and painted layers of earth blended seamlessly into the glowing horizon. I waited for the sun to fall just low enough to warm the tops of the mounds, capturing the balance of color, shadow, and form that makes the Badlands so unforgettable. Displayed in a home, office, or cabin, this print adds more than scenic beauty. It represents resilience, wonder, and the artistry of natural landscapes. Bringing it into your space means adding a reminder of how earth and sky unite in moments of quiet splendor, offering calm and inspiration each time it's viewed.